Hi, good day. This internet Alex from Internet Real Secrets. So in this review video is about it's an affiliate training course, right? It's called CIMTAAS, right? CIMTAAS is CIMTAAS basically CIMTAAS is a complete internet marketing training and affiliate system, right? So CIMTAAS system can make you reach through its referrals program by letting you to invite others to make money via the two-tier program. The total there's videos there are 472 videos of contents time duration of 38 hours 12 minutes and 44 seconds. So this is a very complete set of internet marketing and affiliate marketing video, right? Okay, it covers almost every topic in this affiliate marketing and internet marketing, right? So if you click the link below this video, you're going to come to my review page, right here. So if you click any of the link or in the button inside this review page, it link you to this CIMTAAS CIMTAAS this so-called what we call it as a sales page here, right? So it's going to be launched, okay, soon Sundays, 11 a.m. EXT. So it's the world's first affordable complete internet marketing training and affiliate system that help you to make a life-changing income, right? So just go have a quick walkthrough of this sales page itself, right? So basically, in this is a two-tier program, mean to say, right? You are able to make commissions using after you purchase this affiliate marketing or in the market system. There are two tier come whereby you are the first tier when someone's you sell anything to your first tier, you're going to make commission and against okay, and someone you recruit also then make a sales and you are going to also to make some portion of commission from the person who have been selling the product, right? So it's complete internet marketing training and affiliate system that cover internet marketing, SEO, traffic generations, Facebook marketing, YouTube marketing, brands building, and you have access to all these tutorial and then cover internet marketing, social media, brand building, IM tech basic, digital product launch, traffic generation, ebook marketing, affiliate marketing, blogging, this building, email marketing, almost every topic you can think of about internet marketing have been covered as part of this tutorial. I think there are more than 400 tutorials, right? It come together to cover all these different courses, right? Right, so this is first affordable in a complete internet marketing training affiliate system, and you can have a look into this. Okay, there are actually three packages and come together. So all this is you can see the 472 video contents, time duration of 38 hours 12 minutes. Right? Okay, this is some of the content in the marketing success secret, in the marketing tech basis, right? So all these different topic, brand buildings, digital product launch success, and also about traffic generations, right? Ebook marketing, right? Okay, affiliate marketing and also blogging success, and almost everything you can think of about affiliate digital product launch can be found inside this building, email marketing, anything about lead generation, this building, and even content marketing, Instagram, Pinterest, right? In case YouTube marketing. Private label success secret also come together alternative contents, e-commerce success secret, WordPress membership success, JVisual conversion success, ClickBank marketing success, everything you can think of have been covered as part of this tutorials, right? Okay, right, so that is about here, and there are chances you can make money. You can see if this is a $25 plan, right? If you purchase a $25, join 10 people, okay, you're going to get 100,000 and 10,000, right? Tier 1's commission. So you're going to get 10 people, you're going to make $100. If you get 100 people under you, you're going to get thousands, 10,000, and this is again tier 2. Tier 2 means the same. The person you recruit is again making sale. You are going to for the first tier, you're going to make $50. for the first 10 people, right? Okay, for the 100 people, you're going to get 500, 5,000, and so on and so forth. So this is a plan. There are only 3 packages that come together: 25, 50, and $100, right? So this is some of the earning testimony here. To take a look into this, and also we have this. This is some calculation about if you purchase the 25 plan and you have a also called tier 1 will be $10, 10 is $10 and $50. Your commission from tier 1 will be $20, and also this again against $10, so 10%, right? Okay, so this is one of the calculation. If you purchase a $100 plan, right, tier 1 will be okay 40. You're going to make $40 for 10%, right? Okay, and against okay, if you purchase 100 plan, you are also eligible to promote all the 4 plan available on the program. So just take a look into there's some bonuses that come together with these affiliates internet marketing training courses, and also it is 30-day money back guarantee, and this limited offer. Everything you need to seamlessly run your business online. You have almost everything, and you can buy these complete video training courses, and with the 2-tier referral program means to say you can sell it and also make commission from tier 1 and tier 2, right? As I analyze it to you, and all this is all this different topic have been covered, and this is running time of the video all have been shown here in this a table, and it's a downloadable content. Also, there's some downloadable content you can actually download, and also make use of this different content to take your online business to the next level. This total there are 472 video of content, 38 hours of running time. So that is a fantastic thing to do, right? Okay, so if you actually buy this and you can sell to the your next customer, again they buy from you with your link, and again you're going to make a commission out of him, and again if your customer also get another customer or small customer come under you under your first tier, then again you're going to make some commission. So there's idea here, and this whole thing has been actually clearly described in this table about 25. This is a silver plan, is $100, is a platinum, and this is a gold plan, $50, also $100 is a one. You can earn the most commission. You will get 40%, $40 commission per every new user you refer to this plan, and also get a 20% $20 commission from your tier 1 people referral. Again, if the tier 1 refer another person and the person buy from the tier 1 or buy from also from you, also you're going to get a 20%, right? Okay, so this is how it works, and this is 2-tier referral program for all this, right? And it is a full set of the this $100 platinum plan is the one you're going to make most of the money out of this, and it have all the most of the topic, so-called the program, the training program, all have been actually covered as part of this gold plan, platinum program, and also the non-global context all come together here, right? So that's a pretty cool, really so-called attractive offer, right? This is a really good deal to take on, right? And it's definitely all this learning course is not just for your own learning, but you're going to make money from tier 1 and tier 2 with the two tiers referrals program, and go access to the CIMTAAS system also, right? So you get access to all if you join this $100, right? Okay, so coming back from my review page, I've actually walked through with you from the sales page about what is a CIMTAAS, and so CIMTAAS is a complete internet marketing training and 2-tier affiliate program. Time duration, 38 hours, 12 minutes, 54 seconds, right? So how do you make money? Tier 1 commission, so I explained to you, and tier 2 commission, right? So take a look if you still don't understand how this is being how you can make commission out of this 2-tier. You can check back the sales page. So this is why should you join it? It's a first affordable internet marketing program that implement 2-tier commission, the one and only affordable internet marketing program that can make you rich, right? If you refer someone to the CIMTAAS system, then the person is you refer love for life, right? So means as long as he get as long as the person get more person to join under him again, you're going to make commission from the person he refer to you, and I think it's going to make $20 if you purchase $100. Package easier way to make money. Join, invite others to join and earn. No others are the tedious task to learn. It's one of the easier way to make money. If I see this and this unlimited access to all this tutorial here for all this topic they cover here, and I think you can also take a look into them more and cover, I think, under this. If you click the link here, there are more topics we cover under this. There's a button you can click here to have a view of all the other topics being covered as part of the training program itself. Okay, you can actually, I think I see there's a button here. Wait. Okay, so this basically can view all the course here. Okay, so all the course can be viewed here. You can see this is all the course here, right? Okay, so come back to this what's a silver plan 2500. That's what I told you. I think it's better you. I will suggest you to go for the 100 platinum plan because it is a full-fledged. We have all the training program for all the topic here, and you are able to make the best of the commission from this $100 platinum plan. That's only one-time plan. You are going to benefit for the life of your time. That is a fantastic part. There's a money back guarantee here, and 30-day money back guarantee. But if you're not satisfied, you can actually always ask for money back guarantee. Alright. So for this CIMTAAS this two tiers affiliate system, right? I have actually prepared a lot of bonuses here in conjunction with this CIMTAAS bonuses. And first thing, I'm giving you the affiliate income secret, my exclusive affiliate marketing training. This is affiliate income secret. Is one of my so-called my course. I have actually I'm sharing this with you. It will actually teach you how you can actually make 10,000 online following a simple business principle. This is not a normal affiliate marketing training. In this affiliate marketing training, it teaches you not just about how to make affiliate commission, but it also teach you how to launch your new product, and every step there's all have been explained into this series of the video training courses, right? Secondly, you are going to get a super affiliate secret. Is again, this is very exclusive affiliate video training, so it can actually cover and how you can actually become a super affiliate and make more affiliate sales, right? Third one is a super affiliate software funnel. So in this super affiliate software funnel, you're going to get sales page fully formatted and thank you page ready to go with your cost to the sale, able to give away to be released, and it is a full affiliate so-called software funnel. You're going to benefit from this affiliate funnel, right? 250k funnel kit. Again, I'm giving you this funnel builder software. You can actually build affiliate funnel or your product funnel using this funnel kit, right? Okay, so this funnel have made over 250k. That's what it's called, 250k funnel offer. Again, I have others like social marketing tools. It's a cloud app whereby you can actually use this cloud app to auto and schedule all social media posts, and exclusive this building training with 100 free solo app. And you can actually, this is a very quality this building training, and by the end of the training, you can actually submit and leading to the 100 free solo app, and potentially you can make sale, even though you can get some really quality lead also, right? So the YouTube Hack 2021 and YouTube channel SEO, these are the two bonuses you can help you to take your YouTube channel or rank your YouTube video, right? High ticket system, learn how to make sell high ticket product and make high ticket commission. And this is again VidSpark is a video creation app, right? And it's also this SEO tools on a cloud app. You can actually use this SEO tool to optimize your SEO for your blog and website. Also, product launch attack, learn how to launch a product and make the best of your product launch. And this is again also going to complement what is being offered inside the this CIMTAAS also, and this is again also an additional thing to you to help you to learn how to be successful in your product launch. Also, email search issue learn how the technique how to actually get high conversion of your email. And also this again is a video giveaway. This 250 video giveaway. You can use it to promote your blog site, giveaway for engagement, build a membership site, and also BotEngage, the chatbot question app. And we have this wallet traffic cloud app also, affiliate store builder, free traffic method you don't know. And this is again some very useful way to learn how to get a free traffic method which you have never heard before, and also free training how to make money without you selling anything, right? Okay, so again, so we have the journal TikTok traffic app and also journal Instagram traffic again. It's 100 giveaway. This is 100 bonus item you can give away to build your list, right, using this 100 giveaway. And again, there are vendor bonuses that come together inside the sales page. I think there are some vendor bonuses that come together also. Everything you can get all these bonuses together if you purchase on $2,500 or $50. So I will suggest you to go for the platinum, because this is where you can make most of the money, and you have all the complete set of the complete suite of the training program inside here, right? Alright, so again, I have still more bonuses for you here. Okay, more exclusive bonuses below. There are 10 more exclusive bonuses, right? I have just prepared, just come out from the ovens, right? Okay, hot. This is something hot from the ovens, right? 10 exclusive bonuses, right? YouTube view case study, how to find close your high-paying client, what the secret exposures, and nominal YouTube without showing your face, right? And also there's lead case study, how to get a lead. Okay, this is a very useful way to learn how to get a lead. Okay, personal branding, so blueprint, right? Storytelling, marketing, Pinterest profits, and via triggers, reseller, like, and also Facebook execute advanced scaling. So you're going to get everything list only. I think they are close to 150 bonuses I've actually put up together for this CIMTAAS set. So I actually would like you to take fast action today and click the link below this video. So you're going to come to my review page, just click on this orange button. It will take you to the CIMTAAS sales page. So inside the sales page, just pick any of the package you want, silver, platinum, and gold, and you're good to go, and you are on your way to not just to get a complete suite of your internet training program, but you are also getting an opportunity to make commission. Is the earning potential is really very high using this program. Imagine you can get a 40% $40 commission per every new user, right? And also if he refer another 1%, you're going to get $20 also out of that. And this is a two-tier program, and you can easily embed $100. And because if you keep promoting, you can imagine if you get 10, 100 of the tier 1, and again you get another 10 or 100, 200 of the tier 1 or tier 2, you can imagine the amount of commission you're going to make out of this affiliate program. So take fast action now, and this before the launch end, right? Okay, so this is a launch period only. You are going to get this one-time price, right? Now the one-time price together with my 150 bonus then cost me close to 9,000 to get all those bonuses for you, right? Okay, take fast action today and have a nice day. Bye bye.